Welcome back guys. So in this video I will show you how to update to the latest Windows 11 the official way. There is no torrent or third-party downloads. I'm gonna use the Windows Insider program. So now it is available through Windows Insider program, and so for that you have to register with a Microsoft account. This method is working. I've tried it on two laptops and it worked on it. They are not very powerful laptops, so I think it will work for anyone. Just log in with your Microsoft account if you are not already logged in. I was using the local account, so I needed to get enrolled in the Insider program. So once you are logged in, it will ask you to restart your PC. See, after I've entered my PIN, so now it's asking to restart. So I'll meet you after I've restarted my device. So here you can see it's asking three channels. They are dev channel, the beta channel, and the preview channel. The dev channel is the earliest build. It is not stable. The beta one is quite stable and can be used as a daily driver with minor bugs. Preview channel is the most stable one. So this particular build that I am gonna show you is available on the dev channel. So select that. Hit confirm. And now it will ask you to restart your device once more. So I'm back after restarting the device. So now if you go into your Windows update option, it will check for the updates, and if your device is not fully updated with all the antivirus definitions and everything, it will show up here, and first you have to download all of them. So you can see I have 4 downloads, so I will let it complete the download process, and then I'll show you after restarting. So you can see the downloads are complete. Now I'm going to restart my device, and then I'll show you what happens next. So now I'm in the update option, and you can see the Windows 11 Insider preview is activated and it's downloading as well. So let it complete the download process. So after waiting for so long, it almost took 4 to 5 hours to completely download and install this update. The first impressions, it looks really new and very different from all those videos that I've seen. In person it looks entirely different. The animations are really slick, and I can notice the change in the shape, the icon shape, the window shape. Look at this animation. This is the task menu, and you can see the quick way to actually multitask. We no longer needed to use the Windows shortcut. The settings menu has changed a lot. It's entirely different. You can see it's i5 6th generation, and I think it is still running very well. So I'm just gonna take a quick look around, and I'm gonna make a detailed video showing all the features and everything that is new. But yes, it feels really good. So stick around, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.